channel. I'm Kailey and this is my brother Kason. Hi guys! So we went to World's Market today and we got this huge box of mystery snacks. Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty. And we just had to get it. And I got it with my own money because Kason over here would not split it with me. And it was only $40. So, I would say it's kind of really cheap or expensive. What cheap, expensive in both types of ways if you split it with me. So, we're here today to open this because it looks really cool and we wanted to get it. And because the mystery box and snacks inside of it, we just had to get it. Yeah, we're going to be opening this and see what's inside of it because it's a mystery box. So, Kason, what do you think's inside of it? I think like a drink is inside of it because earlier I heard a sound, a watery We have a Hello Kitty mystery box with mystery snacks. Yeah, mystery snacks. So, then we don't know what's inside of here yet, but we're gonna open it and find out. So, let's see. Let's get it. Let's get into it. Enough talking about it. Now, let's see what's in this thing. You agree? 3, 2, 1. Okay, don't look at it. Well, you're not with it. Are you ready? Oh my god. Okay, you go first. What are these? Those are like potato chips. Potato chips. So, we got potato chips.
What are these? Potato chip salted egg yolk?
Okay, so they're salted egg yolk flavored. Okay, Kason, have you ever tasted a salted egg yolk flavored potato chip?
I don't even know what they're gonna taste like.
I feel like they're gonna taste like a buttery type of chip that tastes like egg. Okay, next item. Ooh. So they're Hello Kitty wafer cookies chocolate flavored. Wow.
This is gonna taste like.
I feel like I've had these before. So have you ever had these ones?
Yeah.
Those exact ones?
I mean, it wasn't Hello Kitty, but it was those before.
Okay. So I've had these too, but they were like white and dark chocolate.
Yeah.
Oh my, wait, weren't these the ones?
At the mall.
Yeah. Oh my god. So these are called Hello Kitty Ramboon Soda. So these are actually really cool. When you open the cap, there's a marble in it that you get to push in, and the marble gets stuck right there. And yeah, there's just a marble in it when you drink it.
What flavor did you get?
I got Zoom-Man. Raisin.
Oh, pineapple. Alright.
So this is what we got. So yeah, these are really cool. So oh, I've never seen these before. Okay, so I think this is okay. So I actually don't know what this is, but I'm gonna guess. So it actually has a stick. I think you're supposed to poke the candies with it. And I think the outside is also candy that you could eat, so it's just like full candy.
The outside looks like a wafer.
A wafer. Oh, that does look like a wafer.
Ice cream cone.
Okay. So this is what it looks like, and it also comes. Where's the toothpick though? Oh, it's right there. So it comes with a toothpick that you can poke the candies with, or you could just eat it with your fingers. That's what I did. That's what this is. Yeah.
Alright, next item is a Hello Kitty strawberry feel like little like gumballs, I think.
So that's what this looks like. So, so it's strawberry flavored. And it looks like strawberry. Kind of. So that's what that is.
Yeah.
Lottie. So this is a Hello Kitty Lottie pie. It's chocolate coated pie, pastel deep chocolate flavored. So that's what these are. They look like little cookies with like whipped cream inside of it, I think. So.
Oh yeah, it looks like a cake, and then it's like maybe icing or cream in it.
I think it's whipped cream. I go.
Next item.
What is it?
Quirky? I don't know. There's like, oh, they're okay, Bucky.
Off-brand hockey. That's what you think they are.
I mean, it's Quirky, Bucky.
So he thinks these are off-brand Pockies. They don't really have any chocolate or anything on it. They're just literal pretzels or bread. So that's what this is. Okay, next item. Oh, what's this?
Ryan, save you.
I don't know what this is, but I'll guess we'll find out because it doesn't show a picture of it. It's a picture of people.
Oh well.
There's a person in our picture.
Look at this. Wait.
Oh wait, it says it's a candy on the back.
That's cool. I can't read any of that.
Okay, so this is what we got. So in the next video, maybe we'll open this fridge. Or fridge, I don't know. Okay. How just
Biscuit with strawberry cream.
Hello Kitty edition. Those look like
Oh, I
Pockies.
think it's Pockies. It is.
Pocky.
That's cool.
No. Okay. Okay, so this is what we got next. This is a literal toy. I swear, because it has a picture right here of a slappy hand. It's a toy.
I think it's like, I don't think it's a gummy because it's like squishy, but there's plastic around it. It could be like a straw maybe.
Okay, so I think it's like a jelly just wrapped around in plastic because okay, I think that this is, I'm not going with what Kason has.
What?
I'm going with like, it's just like you unwrap the plastic that's on it and then you have just a slappy hand that you can eat.
It's all snacks.
Exactly, you can eat it.
Candy.
I said you can eat it. That's what I said.
Alright, this next item. Getty premium chocolate.
That's
It
the
looks like
flavor of it.
it looks like a chocolate cookie. Can you check that out?
Oh, I think I know what these are. So I think this is also a chocolate cookie. So yeah, this is what it looks like. And yeah, I think there's like 4 or 2 chocolate cookies in here. Oh my god.
Two.
Okay. Haha. Oh, it's Muji chocolate. So they look like They look like little balls of chocolate, I guess. And then it has wheat, so maybe they're made of wheat.
They look like raisins. Oh well. And these are like, they look like Hello Kitty crackers.
And this cracker, it has like
This one has,
icing or sprinkles.
oh wait, I've had one of these before. Oh, those are like one of those
Rice cakes.
No, it's not. It's like a really like thin cracker, and then it has like this like really sugary coat on it, and this flavor is strawberry. Oh, baby. You can open that actually.
Okay. That's all of
empty.
it. Okay, Kason. So we got a lot of good things here. But of all this stuff, what's your favorite one? And you can only pick one.
It's definitely like one of these.
Mighty Mo, catch a tiger, bite it, if you never let it go. My mom says to take the first one and you are not it. Okay, so what's the white one?
That's what you want, and I went, what's your favorite?
Okay.
That's okay.
I'm either going to have to go with these. Okay guys, that's the end of our video. And make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell and punch it! So stay tuned for our next video where we try all of these yummy snacks. So, bye!